Howdy folks, it's Devin. In my previous video, I unboxed and reviewed my Dizzy boots from Trippen. If you missed it, the link is in the description of this video. Today I wanted to share with you folks some styling options I put together featuring the boots. I hope you enjoy it. I'd love to know which outfit is your favorite. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll join me again in the desert.